Hi everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete unused images on your WordPress website. So if you are using a lot of images on your website and if you have deleted some of the blog posts but the images are still there on your media library. So over time what happened, if you keep deleting posts or if you are uploading duplicate images to your media library, then this can slow down your server and this can slow down your website speed. So you can easily remove all of your unused images with a single click. So let me just show you how you can do that. So first of all, let's go to the WordPress dashboard here. Now here in the left menu, click on media and here you will see the library option. And here you will see all of your images that is being uploaded to your website. And as you can see, we have 80 media files uploaded here. Now to identify which images are not in use, we can use a plugin. So let's go to plugin and I will click on add new plugin and let me click on media cleaner and let me install this plugin, media cleaner clean your WordPress. So let me quickly install and activate this plugin. Once you activate this plugin, you will see a new option, cleaner. Just click on that and just scroll down and here you will see an option, scan. Just click on that. Now it will scan all of your images in your database and check which images link to which post or pages, and if the image is not linked to any post or pages, then it will show you the list of the images. So as you can see that these are the images that is not linked to any of the content, so we can safely delete that. So you can either individually select the images or you can click on select all and you can delete all at once. So let me select some of the images here. Let me click on delete 6 entries. Now it will remove those images from your website, but it will show in a trash. So if you by mistakenly delete any of the images, then you can restore it by clicking on here, and here you can recover one entries, or you can select all the images and recover all the deleted images. So if you go to the media library now, you will see less images than before. So as you can see, we have deleted 6 images out of 80. Now it is showing 74 images in our media library. So you need to verify that everything is okay on your website, and after that you can just go to trash section and select all the images and click on delete permanently. Let's click on that and it will delete the images permanently from your database. So in this way you can free up your server space and improve your website performance. I recommend you to take a backup of your website first before doing anything like this in your website. So sometimes plugin compatibility issue came, and if your plugin is not compatible or if anything happens, then you can easily restore it back to the normal state. So I recommend you to take a backup first and then you need to perform this action. Also there is a trash option which you can click on and recover your images if it is accidentally deleted on your website. You can also use a plugin like WP Vivid. So let me just show you. So let me click on add new plugin and let me search for WP Vivid, and here you will see a plugin like this, migration backup WP Vivid. So let me quickly install that and let me activate this plugin. So this plugin helps you take backup of your website. So you can quickly create a backup and you can also remove unused images using this plugin as well. So you can click on backup now. So it will take a complete backup of your website, both database and files. And after that you will see an option image cleaner on this plugin as well. So you can use this as well. So let me click on scan and it will scan all of your images on the website and you can delete all the unused images from your website. And as you can see that it has detected 126 media files, but in media library we are getting around 76 media files now. So what it does is it detects all the variant of the images. So whenever you are uploading any images, it will create multiple version of that image, like 150 into 150, 300 into 300, 120 into 120. So there are multiple versions of the images being created by your WordPress website. So you can delete that as well using this WP Vivid image cleaner tool. So I recommend you to take a backup first and you can use any of the plugin. So I recommend you to use the media cleaner plugin. So it will detect all the unused images, and you can then select those images and delete it. So it will goes to trash first, and then you can verify that everything is okay, then you can delete it from the trash as well. So this is how you can improve your website loading speed by deleting unused images. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button.